Welcome to Vocabulary Pro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Vocabulary Proo. Today's story is called Adam's Busy Morning, a funny, relatable day in the life of a guy who's always late, but never gives up. We'll learn natural English phrases, funny conversations, and some useful expressions you can use every day. So, grab your headphones and let's begin. It's 8:15 a.m. Adam's alarm has been ringing for 15 minutes, but our sleepy hero is still dreaming.
Adam, wake up. You're late again.
5 more minutes, Lisa. Just 5.
You said that 5 minutes ago.
Oh no, what time is it?
8:20.
No way, my meeting's at 9.
Adam jumps out of bed like he just saw a ghost. His shirt's inside out, his socks don't match, and his hair looks like a science experiment.
Where's my shirt? Where's my laptop? Oh no, not again.
You're hopeless. Breakfast?
No time. I'll grab something on the way.
You said that yesterday.
And the day before.
Exactly.
Adam gulps cold coffee straight from the mug, grabs his bag and rushes toward the door like it's the Olympics.
Bye, Lisa. Wish me luck.
You'll need more than luck.
Adam is sprinting down the street, backpack swinging, hair flying, his tie dancing in the wind.
Wait! Stop the bus!
But the bus drives away.
Great. Just great. Missed it again.
Missed it, son?
Every single day.
Adam books a cab. Moments later, a cheerful driver named Raj pulls up.
Good morning, boss. Where to?
Green Tech Tower, please, and make it fast.
Fast. My car flies.
Let's hope so.
Traffic moves slower than a snail crossing the road.
Why does this always happen to me?
Sir, sometimes life slows down to teach patience.
You sound like a philosopher.
No, sir. I just watch too many YouTube shorts.
Both laugh. At 9:15, Adam rushes into the office. His boss, Mr. Clark, spots him instantly.
Well, well, Mr. Adam. Decided to join us today?
Good morning, sir. There was, heavy traffic.
There's always heavy traffic between your bed and this office.
Won't happen again, sir.
You said that last week.
Ouch, that one hurt.
Rough morning.
Like every morning.
Coffee.
Yes, please. Make it strong enough to wake the dead.
Adam, presentation ready?
Almost, sir. Just polishing it.
You mean just starting it?
You know me too well, sir.
Adam types faster than lightning, or at least tries to look like it.
What's for lunch?
Forgot my lunchbox again.
You never change.
Consistency is key.
Everyone laughs. Even the boss smiles for a second.
See? My charm works everywhere.
The day is finally over. Adam packs his bag slowly.
Going home, Adam?
Yes, sir. Hopefully I'll reach before dinner this time.
Try catching the bus, too.
Haha, I'll set 3 alarms tomorrow.
As Adam walks home under the sunset, he smiles to himself.
Every day teaches me something new. Wake up early, plan better, and never skip breakfast.
And maybe tomorrow he'll finally catch that bus.
Thank you for watching this story. Today we learned many small, simple English words. If you learn a little every day, your English will improve. Speak English daily, even simple words. Practice makes you perfect. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Write in the comments what new English words you learned today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.